Yes, Iyah. Yeah, man, good morning. YouTubers and the voice of Bed Miller. You know, say, I tell them before, you know. Yeah, man. Say, a new name you have now, you know. You know, see it. Yeah, man. Michael Manley. Pitney. Yes, I'm telling you, I vote PMP, you know. No, I vote PMP, brother. You know, see it. So, I know PMP, me MMP, Michael Manley, Pitney. Yeah. So, I tell you now. Yes, Iyah. So, I go do. Yeah, man, I do my thing this morning. Michael Manley Pitney go vice out. Because I do my thing different, you know. Yeah, I do my thing different. Yeah, man, Michael Manley, the greatest steroid leader the world have ever seen. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. And Michael Manley with his beautiful wife. Yeah, man, Beverly Manley. Just like you say, you see Marky G with all him black queen behind him, in a seat, behind him, beside him. Yeah. A similar thing as Michael. Come and tell us something. It's one of the youngsters who never won in the 70s, one of the youngsters who never they were in the 70s. In a seat. In a Michael Manley time. In a seat. You see, we know who was youngsters in the 70s. I telling about Michael Manley. The reason I come out saying, man, and it because I tell us about me too like the politics thing, you know, brother. But if I know, say, we live in a certain time. We live in a certain time in a seat as a youngster, and I went poor. I never have to turn to crime to survive. Because we were in those loving and take part in a peer sports and all them sitting there. A sportsman thing there. I'm not doing my thing on over park same way. But I talk briefly about Michael Manley. In a seat, yes. And you see him old Marky G roll now. And you find and not people surprised or most of the vocal and the vibrant entertainer them support Marky G. I see me back in the days. Most of the conscious musicians them, most of the popular musicians them, yeah man, you understand, we support Michael Manley. Because Michael Manley was for the people them, me I tell you. So on a generation who grew up now. So when the Prime Minister come talk about Michael Manley mash up the country in the 70s, and that's why me come out. And that's why Michael Manley Pitney come out. Yeah man, that's why me come out. You know see it. Because I tell you, I vote PMP. So no matter what MP, you understand me? Don't matter what MP, pass to me general. You know see, don't matter what MP, you know see it. Them send down so. Me still a vote PMP. Because of Michael Manley. You know see it. Yes, because I look nothing for the MP them. I no beg MP nothing. I no survive half of politics. I no sit down a PMP office and beg nothing and look nothing. You understand me? You know see it. Because from Desmond Leakey time, the first time I did vote. From Desmond Leakey time, after Desmond Leakey, I must have did Bull. You know see it. After Bull, I must have did Atkinson. I said, if you know see something there. If you know Atkinson and Harris, during Harris time, say me, because you have Dr. Harris, you have Atkinson, you have Victor Wright, you know see it. Even when Manley was joining the crew, joining the thing, I'm going to vote for Manley the same way. And now Wicker McNeil, I go, you know see it. I go do the thing. I just vote. Because I love Michael Manley, because Michael Manley was for the people. Them. So I just, so as I say, media, I park again. So I go behind, me go in front of the camera now. No, I go behind the camera now and talk something about a park again. Yes. So I say Michael Manley Pitney. Me and Michael Manley Pitney. I do my thing different. I create my things because I buy the key ring and print the pictures in a seat and do one for with the pictures and build my thing. Because I go always wear this. As long as I live in a seat, I go always wear Michael Manley on my neck. In a seat. This a bastard Pitney. This a bastard boy you see. This a poor bastard boy just sitting on Falmouth street side and hustle. Because the time we call it hustle. The same thing as begging, same way. Because we come from poor family during the 70s and we hustle. Yeah man, we hustle in a seat. And we used to entertain children and people and come on to sports. This is this bastard Pitney. Yeah man, so as I say, enough of that still right now. Come on, touch pan the Falmouth High School playground in a seat. Yeah. Yeah, alright now. Now go just shift the thing now. Okay. See it here. See it here. In a totally shame and disgrace again. The reason why me come out here again, you know. Because I'm tired of it, I'm sick and tired of it. This is totally shame and disgrace. The reason why me come down here now, in the morning, you know. Because I go up on Saturday, I watch TVJ news. Because every night I watch news, you know. If I don't catch news, it's like I must come in later and so forth. I always watch TVJ. Big up to CVM still, you know. But that's true music get TVJ regular. I see me get my fire stick now, I start get CVM. Yeah man, I come and watch the coverage on CVM. Yeah man, the conference on CVM. Yesterday. I'm both on TVJ CMM. I watch my news. Yeah man, Saturday I see me and watch my news Saturday. And a Gauger I see. Yeah man, the mayor virgin named Gauger and the principal of Bike School. They talk about some things where they go on with some people on the fishing village. You know see it? Yeah man. Wish me know say boy, them things are supposed to happen. Because back in the days in the 70s, because the place all fenced up, you know. The place all fenced up. I not go on further still, I not go on the side, you know. But as I say, back in the days in the 70s, when time the place would open up, we enjoy ourselves. Run up and down like us. You don't know kids that run up and down about the place? The same kids that run up and down? Eh? I saw we used to play. And nobody not in trouble with. Nobody not in trouble with. You know see, because you see Yasa was wearing teacher cook is living now. You see a property at the school see me too, you know. Yasa where teacher cook is living, the principal, you know. Teacher cook that he was the principal. You see a school property same way. Teacher cook was the principal. Mr. Howard Cook. Howard Cook brother. The same Howard Cook there. For you almost a former Governor General. I want PMP MP for down at St. James there. Yeah man. Yes. So as I say now, the people that cause the problem as according to the according to Gauge and the principal. You understand me? You know see it. The people have to do them thing there, brother. Because we don't support them thing in Falmouth. Because original Falmouth people love the school. We not go over the school, go terrorize nothing. Them things never used to happen in the 70s. So I hope say Mr. Gauge could do what he have to do. Because he's going to move the people them. Let us feed them things still, you know. You understand me? Yeah, man, because nobody is supposed to go over the school and cause problem to the school. Because them things never used to happen. Because all them put all no friends them were there back in a few days, you know. But we never cross the wall there. Because none of we never go over the wall and go over the sea section. And do them time all the fishing people them, it's no trouble nobody. Never is a trouble way. Yeah man, we play everything. Them time they back in the 70s, farmer did nice. Yeah man, farmer did nice, may I tell you. So we can play and everything without no disturbance in a seat and no trouble. So the people in my cause problem, you must gauge if you do, if you do, you have to do, if you do. And the principal, then, yeah, but what me I say now, my point of view now, because I see it on TVJ now. See one, because the whole of the place black off there, you know, all yes, so. We used to walk from here, so. You see where them black off here, so now, one gate in there, so, one gate in this you pull. You see if you pull, and put a gate there. No, and put a little gate with a lock and key in the seat. So the kids them can march and can enter to the playground. So one thing I said to Mr. Gager and the principal of Bike School. One thing I want to know said, them part in the Bike School again. Eh? Yeah man, Gager, Mr. Gager, the mayor. And you me address now, you know. Them part belongs to Bike School again. Eh? Because school is now in session, you know. So why them in a seat? Why never bring TVJ one of them side at all? TVJ should not come on them side at all, man. TVJ if you see this, sir. TVJ if you see us at all, man. Because you not take care of the place in a seat. So we're not complaining about the people who do them want, they can cause problem to the school. This is a problem too. Gager, Mr. Gager, in a seat, because under fear governance, you know. Parking a sort disgraceful condition, you know. So Mr. Gager, you don't know the history of the Falmouth Iyah Park. But you're the present principal. Because you see, if you didn't know, so this is going at the most historical playground in Trelawny. And yes, a sports start in Trelawny. Falmouth. And look on the place. Totally disgrace. Totally disgrace.
What them a do for that little surrounding there? Them a talk about people. Fishermen don't have nothing to do with what up there.
Yeah, man. I don't talk about.
Look on the place. They were fancy school, keep the place intact.
Intact.
They only reach to this, brother.
I tell you, it's a totally disgrace.
The government is a disgrace. And then them go talk about
the people, yeah, this and that. You understand me? You can't, yeah, man. Call a spade, brother. They will fix the playground, brother.
Them politicians,
yeah, man.
Too
wicked, man. I tell you, brother.
Then too wicked, man.
Yeah.
Look on the place.
Look on the place. I mean, I tell you. You might just
me got barrack school.
You got barrack school?
Yeah.
We got barrack school.
And this a playground. Yeah,
playground.
Up and down for me a little tat. And it never turned so yet in a history.
In a history.
So our so now. Our.
Okay. You
can't take care of a place. I was so brother, yo, me I tell you say man, they need to get a hold of themselves. Things what they should have do and talk about, they not do and talk about. You see what me I say, look how long is school over there so fence. Remember say no, me a fisherman.
Yeah, yeah.
Me just a come from me yard. When fisherman gone home, all sort of people left come. So we can't get attacked for walk one round there because we gone home. Other people,
yeah, man.
Community people from far, all type of people come round there come do what they do, brother. You see what me I say?
Yeah.
So they need to fence the school for a longer time.
Yeah.
Have proper security and sitting, you understand, on a tight shift.
Yeah, man.
You understand? They sitting in a foolishness, brother. They something a foolishness, me I tell you. Totally foolishness. Look on the playground. Tell me now, what can go so?
That's the best. Yes, I should not bring.
See cruise ship
okay.
Right
Tell us
when the tourists them come and them see all of them are sitting here.
They not show them. They not show. They not show them. They not show them. They not come as one. They not show them.
When me see it, them are show up themselves right now.
That's what I tell you. That's why I made expose them, brother.
I have to make this go out, you know.
Yeah, man. Make it go out. Yeah, man. I like your voice.
Make it go out.
Yeah, man. It a go out, man. And the people, if you not do no gimmicks thing and so forth, nobody not show your thing, you know. You think you alone, Bex?
Born and grow,
What do you mean, man? Me glad to me buck up on you.
All of my life, you know.
Damn it, yo.
All of my life, me there round here and I force. Me never see this. See, they say they have one park over there, so.
Yeah, okay.
Who make the park? Who make the park done so?
Eh.
Who can't spend one little money and fix up the park? Who can't get somebody to take care of the park?
Me not in a scene anymore. You talk the brethren. You talk the brethren.
This coming in
Yeah.
place, see?
Yeah.
They want one nice little park to sit down. Where they go sit down?
Yeah. For real, me
Look
general.
over there, so it's like a disgrace. The whole place is like a disgrace round here. And then they come round here to see that everything they run and govern. They stay at a far.
Yeah.
And they make words.
I make words.
Come here, so
For real. For real.
They we are choco and they give words.
Yeah, man.
You see what I say?
For real, me general. For
Who
real,
the
star.
politician, man, who know if you come round and come clean up the place.
Place, man. I will be my
Come clean up
wicked
the
place, brother.
I no tap it chatting, man.
Top. Yeah, okay.
I no tap it chatting and come round and come clean up the place, brother. Me dey round all of my life and I force me never see this, brother. You no need to get a hold on yourself. You no talk about picnic and school. Watch this. Them picnic there from the school, no fence. Then go left, come over the fishing village. You understand? A long time, the school fence, you know. You saw the place run smooth.
Yeah.
Look how long you know where to do this. Eh?
I feel you are talking about now. So, me general, give
Yeah,
thanks to
man,
your word,
respect,
brother.
Man. Respect,
Yeah, man.
man.
Give thanks the time out,
for
man.
them do better.
Yeah, man.
See,
Me I tell you, me
come here, look
general.
forward
Yeah,
to
man.
see.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You see it though. Me glad to a general pass show. You know, see it. So, Mr. Gager and the principal of bike school, why don't never bring TVJ come here, so? TVJ, if you see this at all, brother, people who make this a viral, you know, when send it to TVJ, you know, you can't find, you can't have a primary school in the capital. You know, see it. You know, the farm out of the capital of Trelawney. A primary school in a Falmouth. Falmouth with the biggest cruise ship them are coming in the world. I cannot see the coming next year, you know. You know, see it. Yeah, man. And it's a one school playground. Because other day where me I come from, I travel to Wakefield, you know. And I pass Granville Primary School, you know. And in playground in a condition, you know. Me over Iyah Primary, they take picture, and they say me juggle. And Iyah Primary School ground in a nice condition, you know. Bounty Hall, me pass, because I know Bounty Hall Primary supposed to use, you know, see, Bounty Hall Sports Complex for them playground when they ready. You understand me? And them thing about look pan the Falmouth, look pan, and the thing about it, you know, this is most historical ground of Falmouth, you know. Because my brother L.Y. Miller, you know, see, in the 60s, when Nip School started, he tell me, say, yes, sir, Nip Sports used to keep until they carry go down a center. I mean, know what Nip Sports used to keep a center, because I witness watching Nip Sports Center with John Senti and Monday. In a seat. Yeah, man. So, I'll Kenneth Gage, when I Kenneth Gage, and I call him Mia. Yeah, man, Mia Gage. You don't know nothing at all about the history of my people, you know. And if you say you move the people, well, you get problem. You also you move the people, and if you move yourself too, you know. Mr. Gage, you need to move yourself too, man. You need to step aside and make Fred. Make Fred Barkley be the mayor. Because Fred Barkley, we know more. We all know more about the place. Because Fred Barkley is my cousin, you know. In a seat. Because I go to Wakefield, me like a boy, and I go spend time at Wakefield, you know, with Fred and Gyal and Ken and him and you said, yeah man, with Fred, yeah man, with the family, you know. I'm Fred Bartley, a cousin. And I believe so when Fred Bartley, when me, Falmouth partner, but you just say so. Gage, you know, nothing, Mr. Gage. You know, nothing for Falmouth. Because I go talk about the meadows. Will you build pan center? Yeah man, I just pass me, you know, I put it on you man. Yeah man, just pass man, yes. and the feed me the future.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, respect. Yeah, man. So I tell you, Mr. Gager, you not done nothing at all. Because anybody who the trouble by school among some strange people, the hardcore farmer people, them now cause some problem by school among some stranger. As the fisher virgin I tell us when the fisherman in Ghana yard, as people come from all about that they don't want to do.
Yeah, bro, God, I don't know. Are the people in the beach that do nothing to the school?
Eh?
A stranger do it.
Yeah, man, me know that. One brother, yeah, man. One virgin voice out already, man. I don't want the people to know. Because when you go back to school, no fisherman now travel away.
Man, you the people in take care of school more the security them, no fella.
Okay. A big controversy thing about that, brother. You understand me? So the real people and the people them love back school, everybody love back school. You know, say, when we got Goose funeral, we not even know say Goose is go back school. Goose go back school and Goose left back school and go Kabla. One training place when I learn electrical work. I see him place Zai used to go to my uncle to go Kabla too. I want next. In the 70s, you know, brother. You see when you left, you see when you finish high school and so forth and any school, sometimes someone not even go to high school, you just go straight to training center. Yeah, man. In the 70s, just in the state, none at all. And you see when all conquerors people, because back in the days, Conquerors was the rich club of Falmouth, you know. The rich club, you know. Conquerors people, them. Me not hear nothing, nothing at all about this, sir. This was Conquerors homegrown. In a seat. Yeah, man, Mr. Gage, you know about file. Mr. Gage, ever see file play football yet? Gage. Me a Gage, you ever see file play football yet? In a seat. Eh? And Feet, you ever see Feet? The most fear defender what Conquerors have. Feet. Mr. Gage, you ever see S90 play football at Panning Field, yeah? Mr. Gage, you ever see S90 play football yet? Mr. Gage, you don't know nothing at all about the history of the place, sir. You need to take care of yourself. Yeah, man. Just so you go move the people, them. When you move the people, them, you need to move yourself too. Because that's totally shame and disgrace. TV, do you ever see this here? This can be a playground of a primary school in a seat. Because if a by school, a primary school, all year school, same way. This can't be a playground. I tell you to come over here, you know. The reason I come back, you know, I become me a Gage and the principal, you know. Yes, the principal of the school. And me, same one. I made the photographer, brother, and the video brother will come at sports day. Come. In a seat, come take picture. When the kids receive their medal and so forth, and capture the waist them. In a seat. TJ, you need to take care of yourself. TJ, you need to apply for one next school, you know. TJ, a good youth, you know. TJ, when me feel of you in general. Sometimes you need to take care of yourself and buy a school and go to one different school and try to go and try to develop your coaching skill. Because you know, no playground for coach you putting them. Because you can't cut a playground on the sports day. Brendan sports are drawing here. A playground we keep in condition. So the youngster who the coach the physical education in the school can have a playground in a seat to coach the kids them. Because TJ cry out to me when I say, why, say Mr. Bed, why you go vice out, you know, because by feel one in a terrible condition. In a seat. And I hope you know about the trouble TJ, you know. Because if the man feel a way about the thing, and they might cry out, I'm going to answer to him call, I'm going to want to drop the youth. But you hear me now, brother? You understand me? The youth need a playground to coach you understand me? Coach the youth them. Because I say boys school youth them they are foreign. I don't want to know how TJ tell them go foreign. And TJ now no fee for coach the youth them pan. Eh? So Mr. Gage, you know, see, whenever I bring, yeah man, and the principal of the school, whenever bring the TVJ people them. Yes sir. Eh? Look on the track. Look on the track them and look on what when they cut out the place and it's a full. Look what the kids them have for the play pan. Eh? In the land of prosperity. In the town in the country of so-called prosperity. It's a shame and disgrace, the biggest ship them in the world. The biggest ship them in the world come at Falmouth. And look on Falmouth Primary School playground. Look on Falmouth Primary School playground. Look on the playground what William Nib High School everybody talk about. Where ball come from. And yes, William Nib sports start out. You keep. Yes, William Nib you keep them sports. Yes, sir. Before they carry a center. And look on park. Look on park. We go call the park. The popular known as park. Center and park a park. Every Sunday morning we used to play ball. Every Sunday morning we used to play ball. You know. Back in the 90s and 80s. Every Sunday morning, you know. Ball play a park, you know. Big goal too, you know. You have to come early if you get game. So I chose the 70s, 80s, 90s, even 2000. But since in the so-called Bogard, since Bogard took over the country, and since Gage become mayor of Falmouth, as a park stay. Because when Fred Bartley was mayor, part of the stay so. So Gage, you need to take yourself and Falmouth, general. You understand me? Take yourself and Falmouth. It's a shame and disgrace. Because you're the fisherman making comment, I'm going to go sign out now. Because I'm sick and tired of that, brother. I'm sick and tired of that now. You know, see it? I don't come talk about, because the Michael Manley, right now, I can't walk in the grass to the way the grass high. I can't walk certain part. I can't traverse through so. That's why I say Michael Manley pick me. Michael Manley, brother. I can't go hand in hand, man. In the 70s, brother. You know, see, yes, so the whole away. Because me close out by saying right now. Because in the present NIP School Dakar Cup squad, the 2024 NIP School Dakar Cup squad, I mean, we say it over and over. There's no youth from Falmouth playing. Because when I tell Ella White them thing, Ella White surprise. I tell Juggies them sitting there, because I say Juggies are match Saturday. I say Ella and Juggies. I tell them say no youth from Falmouth not playing for the present NIP School D Cup side. No youth not on the 22 member squad from Falmouth. Yes. I mean I tell people say 1982, I talk 82 especially. Because I play for NIP School from 1980 to 1982. And the 82 starting 11 comprised of 8 regular starters from Falmouth. I name them out already. Because I call the name already in a different content that I post up. 8 away. Yeah, you understand me? Juggies in the goal. I'm going to repeat it again. Juggies in the goal in a seat. Ev, Iyah, Michelin, and Diane in the defense. Me and Esther in the midfield, and Jasbo in the forward line. The other 3 players them now come from out of Falmouth, like our Timpo in a seat. Come from Iyah. Paul Jones come from Duncan's in a seat. And Lloyd Simpson come from going to Granville area. Here at Falmouth youth, I have enough more Falmouth youth on the bench. Bubbler, you understand me? Put the bomb, put the for Falmouth. You understand me? You understand me? Yes. Yeah. Yeah. So me I tell you, Sean and him and the liver ache. Sean and Charles Bat. Stanley strong papa because Stanley come from a bounty all here there. I can't remember all the benchman them see, but I tell the regular starters them was from Falmouth. But I'm vexed. I son of them. So I saw the fisherman they talk. Because the fisherman in the first me I see me now. And the man says my Falmouth man. The man says to go bike school. The man says to play upon the ground. So Mr. Gage, look on nowhere in the world you can see. In our hometown, the fastest, Bolt are the fastest man. Bolt are the fastest man in the world. And look on the Falmouth, the capital, at Trelawney, parish, where Bolt come from. I never say Bolt come from Falmouth. I keep on, I take the start in over. I never say Bolt come from Falmouth. No. I say Bolt come from Trelawney. But look on the primary school. The primary school. Falmouth Primary School. I farm with Alley School, the original Bawak school. You know see it? The original school. All the people in farm with this ago. And look how the playground. Grass almost a go past the goal post. Never yet. In the history of farmers, the brother tell you, never yet. All the mayors them. Do Mr. Right time, because Mr. Right when they lead in mayor. After years Mr. Right was mayor until Gard can take it over. I bet Fred Bartley was mayor one time too. And Mr. Gager, you need to take yourself, brother. You understand me? Because when Kim and Manley want the lease to build all the ports complex, you know, give him it. And you chop off a piece of the land and build Madhouse Pan Center. I go talk about that too. Yeah man, so Mr. Gager try to get out the people off of the beach. You need to take yourself too. They can't handle nothing at all, brother, when you come on the sports. And you have the audacity, they put up Anthony Watson picture. You know see it? When you enter Duncan's. And that's what I'm doing now. You put up peer picture and start with the athletes, you know. Bring time them reach greatness, you know. But you know, nothing at the grassroots level. Because look at bicycle, put them, we're going to cut the sports day time. Okay, last sports day, we come on sports day one time, and Tova and Harry Strong, the one of them down here. Tova and Harry Strong. They are bicycle sports 1 year. And look at bicycle fields there. Miss Tova Hamilton. And the funniest thing too, you see during election, the way the man is a politician and wicked, you know. You see during election time, yes a cut, you can't stay yes and see the basketball court. I do it in time because I never did have no YouTube channel in time there. Just be status alone. You cannot stay yes and see the basketball court. And look there. You can't see the basketball court, none at all. See them you can zoom me. See them? See bottom goal post there. You all can see the basketball court. You know see it? Yeah. I tell you. That's why certain man name I can't call certain man name now. You see I'm a general friend one named Lippy. Who love basketball. Lippy want to keep one look at basketball extravaganza. On the basketball court. And Lippy have to go in and pack it. And pay a man to cut the area. Lippy have to fork out and pack it. You know see it? And play, you know see it, and pay people to cut it. We don't do nothing at all for sports. Yeah? That's why I find the Jamaica going to perform good at the Olympics are gone. And the something there. And the World Junior, we get less medal. Because only the government, only don't deserve nothing. No big praise. Because they don't do nothing. Because I want to see man Jamaica never did because when I fire Whitmore and coach go down Bladis during the COVID time. I want to put the most pressure on the regular boys. Nobody can go no match. Because on the strip on the COVID thing, I have no plan. I tell man, only need to take on yourself, man. You understand me? You people say time come. Time come for sure. And Mr. Man, I do my thing. Yes, sir. I'm going to do my thing, yes, sir, because I'm not spread no propaganda. This is no propaganda, because I'm going to plant up them grass here. This is no propaganda, you know, because I'm going to plant up grass, you know. Yeah, man, I saw the place stay, brother. Yeah, man, so Mr. Gager, you need to take yourself, my youth. Take yourself, brother. It's a shame and disgrace. Okay, you don't do nothing. Go look on the playground. Eh? Look on the playground. And you chat with the people them. That cause problem. You have problem I found out, Mr. Gager. You know see it? Because you see the whole of Iyah in the 80s. In the 70s. This is a school we used to go. And just a Bulby used to go. Bulby. Who was a member? Bulby. Who was a member at the at the something there. The 2002 D Cup side of which D Cup final.
We are the vice of the country.
Okay, me talk about general. Yeah man. Yeah man. I just a Bulby. Because Bulby is a play for Bayek School. Bulby a part of the 2002 D Cup side. Which D Cup final. Bulby is a play for Bayek School in the primary competition, in the primary competition is to go on. Can you see about this little ball in them Bulby I play for Barrack School? And then get a break. Me never did pass the common as them timely, I what they used to call it, them tiny. But Bulby get a good scholarship in get. And go Nip School. And that was, and the rest was history. Bulby was a Falmouth youth. And most youth on the side when Falmouth man see me too. The 2002 side. In the seat. Yeah man. Because Banty that a Ev nephew, Claude boy. Yeah man, Claude's son. That a one girl that's going for Nip School. Pitney. Used to call her Donkey because she was a lot good and long distance. Film son. When part of the 2002 Nip School D Cup side. A boy school and you used to come to. So me can go on and on, brother. When you if fix the playground them man. Engage people. When you pass on this to TVJ, me go post it on me thing now. Because I got a beach now. When you pass on it to TVJ, TVJ if you come here so. Don't care when you school alone. TVJ if you come here so. Because this is the playground of Falmouth Primary and Falmouth College where I want to name now. Capital of Falmouth. With the biggest cruise ship that come in the world. And look on the playground. Look on the playground, brother. You ever can see a playground with grass or go past the goal post yet? Engage. Shame and disgrace. Totally shame and disgrace. Yeah, man, you're worse than Mr. Gager, for your behavior worse than the people them. But they terrorize the school. You're no different from them. Because you're a stranger to Falmouth. Because strange people go terrorize the people them. The school. Because you're stranger to Falmouth, Mr. Gager. You're totally stranger. A shame and disgrace. I don't ever love sports. Because you can't love sports, you know. And the playground them stay, you know. I don't cause Gyat, I don't cause Stover. Mr. Gager, are you responsible for yourself? Are you responsible for yourself? I'm going to sign out now, brother. You need to take care of yourself. Take care of yourself, Mr. Gager. Okay, you don't do nothing. You understand me? You're a stranger to Falmouth. Because you know, so you're the historical going of Falmouth. Just a sports start of Falmouth. You're the school to have them, you see. You're the historical going of Falmouth. When you plant a palm tree over bandstand, we attract tourists and all them things. That was nice, yes. But look at the playground. Look on the playground. Look on the playground, Mr. Gager. Look on that. You know see it? Look on that. I'm sign out now, brother. Yeah, man. I got a beach now. We're cool on now. My porridge all cold. Kirky give me one new porridge this morning. Banana. At first, we go drink a banana porridge now. Because porridge say, Kirky say, you sweeten it with something there. Once with all peanut and all sitting in the night. And the first I go drink. You know, a Kirky banana porridge. Always planting. So, as I say, big up Falmouth people them. You know, see it. Yeah man, all over the world. Bernie, I send this one in straight as I post up, you know, and Bernie, I share it. Because the youth say, this thing can go viral. This can go viral, brother. TVJ, if you come here, so. TVJ, if you come here, so. This is a playground. 2 of them time, you know, you do all a joke thing, you know. When sports, you know, it's election time, in the cutty. When the cutty win election time, local government election in the cutty. All on the outside, no plant up flowers and all them sitting there. And for the election done, boy, heaven help us all. So heaven help us all. You understand me? Yeah, man. I'm out now. Yeah, man. As one, we say one love Bob Marley. As I will say, one love to all the true Jamaican patriots them. Yeah, man. We in the struggle. You know, see, we don't pick up no arms and fight nobody. We are use words, sound and power like what Jesus did do. You know, see it. And Bob Marley doing their music same way. We are continuing to struggle same way. We all even come together. Because Isaac Buchanan said in his speech yesterday, say, what am I do? After the youths them. We have to do this for the youth, them, brother. Because Jesus said, suffer the little children to come unto me, because such is the kingdom of heaven. In a city. Yeah, man. And that me I say. The kids them want in playground to play upon. TJ, big up yourself, TJ. TJ, me know say boy, big up yourself, TJ. Me nah stop call up him, you can call up him. Big up yourself, TJ, Penga boy. You do great things, me general. And you don't have no playground for coach you in my bike school. You don't have no playground. You call out to me say come September, because you tell me no. You call out to me say come September, you don't have no playground, you know, because I didn't know what go take place. I mean, I call you for many vice of TJ. Bike school playground if it's sort out, Mr. Gager and Tova. You know, see it. I'm the Prime Minister. As a matter of fact, if you treat Bustamante high school and way there. What Bustamante high school no fence up. Till I call the run on picnic on Bustamante high school. Bustamante the founder of Jamaica Labour Party. For them school no fence round. When the Prime Minister go up on the compound and promise them fencing. The Prime Minister the biggest wall, the most expensive wall. And Bustamante playground don't have a proper fencing. Don't have a proper fencing till all cow. They run on picnic pan the playground and cow go up on go over the school and them have the picnic them CXC agricultural SBA work. Yeah man. On the top what I love the kids them. As I say, I sign out now, I talk enough. Michael Manley Pitney talk enough right now. Because some of them say me now, but you me feel Michael Manley Pitney talk enough. But as I say, I prefer walk the street. Yeah, man, as a madman, before me live in a corruption. Because I don't sell out. Yeah man, I don't sell out. Yeah man, my black brothers and sisters. Big up to the white man, them, the China man, them, the Indian, them same way. Because Jamaica, you know, so all one people. Out of many, one people. Yes, I'm not close by saying, big up yourself, TJ. Big up yourself in general. You understand me, I do it for you, I speak out for you. Because you're a good, promising coach. Good, promising coach, because you can coach football too. Because your father was a baller. And you're good at the athletics, because you and your friend them Destiny and him girls there. Marshall Sports Day them, a bike school, and Marshall Sports Day a Premier Infant. So TJ, you do a great works. If you hear me call up a name on the voice of Bed Miller, you have to big you up. You have to big you up because you want to go place in a coaching thing and you want to start because everybody can get work at high school for coach. You can't start at the primary school. That's the basic thing start from. So big up yourself, TJ, keep the faith. You understand? Just keep the faith, my general. I hope this will go viral so people can come to an assistant and start at the place. So I'm out. You may call it Porridge Cola now. I'm going to beach now. Yes, Iyah. Yeah.